Commissioner Hennison Thielman, Haven Master Gunther Flanagan, Tourism Corporation of Bonaire CEO Miles Macera, Ali, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Melissa Morales, and I'm the Director overseeing Destination Development for the Americas and Caribbean for Royal Caribbean Group. Bonaire is at the heart of the ABC Islands, and it is world-renowned and known not only for its beautiful ecotourism, but it is one of the top-rated destinations in the Caribbean, both in terms of guest satisfaction and appeal. After seeing everything that I've seen in the last less than 24 hours, I can definitely understand why. Its beauty is unprecedented and definitely needs to be preserved. As a cruise line, we're only as vibrant as the seas we sail and the destinations we visit. It is our highest responsibility to encourage the resilience and sustainability of our destinations. This is what we call our blue-green promise: to protect the oceans we sail, inspire future generations, and empower the communities that we visit. Royal Caribbean Group's Blue-Green Challenge is directly in line with Bonaire's ecological vision and their Bonaire Bond promise, which aims to encourage visitors to sign a pact to preserve the natural appeal of the island by keeping the oceans clean, respecting wildlife, and supporting the local community, leaving only footprints and memories, and taking only memories. This is truly a win-win partnership for Bonaire and for Royal Caribbean, but it's also a winning partnership for the environment and for generations to come. Together, we'll work to find opportunities to diversify local shore excursions, enhance current product offerings, and ensure the guest disbursement in a sustainable fashion, and encourage visitors to make a commitment to their Bonaire Bond. As a demonstration of our commitment to Bonaire and to our partnership, today I'd like to pledge, on behalf of Royal Caribbean, $10,000 to the Bonaire Bond, along with the signing of this, of our MOU. We are delighted for the opportunity to work with the Tourism Board of Bonaire, as well as the government of the public entity of Bonaire, in this partnership and in the future of Bonaire and Royal Caribbean moving forward. Thank you.